Okay, everybody, it's the Couponing Cat bringing you a second Target video this week. I'll have the first one linked at the end of this video if you want to check that one out. This week, there's a 20% off Target Circle on meat that I noticed is attaching to Beyond Burgers priced at $5.29 per pack. Pair that with $1.50 on one Ibotta, and you can get up to 4 packs per transaction for $2.73 each. So you have your tasty Beyond Burger cooking, and then let's say you want some cheese on that Beyond Burger, but you can't have dairy. There's a deal on the Dia Cutting Board Collection shreds that are priced at $4.99 each. Pair a 20% off Target Circle with $1.25 on one Ibotta, and you can get up to 3 bags for $2.74 each. And speaking of Dia products, I didn't get any this trip, but the Dia gluten-free, dairy-free pizzas are priced at $6.99 online at Target. There is a 20% off Target Circle and a $2 back on one Ibotta offer, which will make them $3.59 a piece. So back to the burgers here. To top them off, we have a Target gift card deal on Primal Kitchen condiments. Get a $5 Target gift card when you buy 3 with same-day services. So I bought 3 of these barbecue sauces here through the Target app, priced at $4.19, rolled a $5 Target gift card, and that made them $2.52 per bottle. So like I said, I just ordered these items through my Target app, did drive up to pick them up, and here you go. Burgers for dinner. It's so easy. Go ahead and like this video if you found it helpful, and share with your friends to spread the word. I'll be back in a couple of days with a Publix Instacart haul video, so until next time, let's go get those deals.